Is there anyone among you who is sick and want to be healed? Is there anyone who is going through the difficult time, financial problem? Are you the one who feels that I am very lonely and I am alone and there is nobody to care for you? Are you the one who wants to end your life and say that this is it? Hello? Are you there? Then this is the video which you have to watch till the end to find out all the solution to your problem. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज शीजी. वेलकम टू माय चैनल शीजी वर्ल्ड. शीजी वर्ल्ड में आप सभी का स्वागत है. विल इंट्रोड्यूस दिस. दिस इज बाइबल. इट्स द वर्ड ऑफ गॉड. Bring Jesus into your life. Jesus is not religion. He is not for individual person. It is for everyone. It is for you and for me. If I would have not gained any miracles, I would have not shared it with you. Believe me, He does great changes into your life. Bible clearly states He will never leave you nor forsake you, and He will never leave you nor forsake you as by His word. You know that He is the way and the truth. He loves you. He cares for you so very much. He loves you so much. He is the only one who can give you assured peace and love. No human being can give you that much love and affection, the care. The love of Him is so marvelous. Just taste and see how good He is. God can open a door for you. Why don't you ask? He said in His Bible that ask you will receive, seek you will find, knock and it will be open to you. You have to knock His door. What you need to do is to pray constantly. Your day will come and you will rise and shine and you will be on the top. You don't know how much talented you have. You are the best. Don't expect anything from anyone. Maybe you will get hurt. So always lean on to God. Always depend on God. Be patient sometimes. Sometimes we don't get any answers. Be patient. But He will definitely give you what you ask for. But you have to ask good, definitely. We all must grow with Christ. We must always have a good fellowship with God, and He will make us more fruitful. As soon as you wake up, just pray to Him instead of searching for your mobiles and messaging somebody, saying good morning to everybody. Talk to God for a little while. Have a good interaction. Tell Him that I want to do these things and help me out. He will definitely help you out. He will definitely help you out. Whenever we are free, whenever we are doing something, just say, Jesus, I love you. Jesus, I love you. Just have a constant communication with Him. Just follow these things in your life. Daily life, you must do all these things, and you will start seeing changes into your life. I'm not saying just for the saying's sake, but because I practice it daily and would like to see you as well. As this tension and the fear, why do you think it comes? It comes because of lack of understanding, lack of knowledge. We don't know who Jesus Christ is. The day we get to know about Jesus Christ, the day we will interact with Jesus Christ, we will start seeing the miracles into our life. We will see drastic changes into our life. We will start seeing that we as a person, so much of positivity into our life. We would be smiling. We could make others smile as well. Try it. Definitely it will work for you. Some people feel that with money they can buy anything they want, but it is not true. Money won't not give you that much love and care which Jesus can give you. So this is it. Walk with Jesus. He is your helper. He will definitely help you out in any kind of situation. Just take his name. Take his name and you will do miracles. But yes, you have to believe. You have to believe. You have to have a faith with Jesus Christ, that my Jesus Christ can do anything. He will not leave you nor forsake you. Before ending up my video, I will share with you one of the verses from the Bible, which is 1 Thessalonians 5 from 16 to 18. I repeat, 1 Thessalonians 5 verses 16 to 18. I will just read it out for you. It says, "Rejoice always, pray without ceasing, in everything give thanks, for this is the will of God in Christ Jesus for you." So this is the thought which I want to share it with you. Do practice it. Assuredly you will get lot of miracle and you will definitely grow in life. So thank you for all for watching, and God bless you, and do share this video as much as you can. As I always used to say, like, share and comment. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Love you all.